Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called 2 makes 10. It says create a function that takes two arguments. Both arguments are integers a and b. Return true if one of them is 10 or if the sum is 10. So as you can see right here from the examples, the two numbers are 9 and 10. And it's true because one of the numbers is 10. The next example is 9 and 9. So neither of the numbers are equal to 10 or the sum is also not equal to 10. So in the last example, we have 1 and 9. If we add them up, it's going to equal to 10. That's why it's true. Okay, let's go to the code tab. As you can see, it's a bool function, so we're going to return true or false. And again, these are the arguments inside the function, int a and int b. Okay, so what we're going to do is use an if-else statement. So if a plus b, which are the two arguments, equal 10, or, this is the or that we're going to use, these two vertical lines, or a is equal to 10, and again we do or b is equal to 10, we are going to return true. And anything that's not true, where it's got to be false. So we're going to return false. Now let's see if it passed the test. And as you can see, it passed all the tests. There's a different way we can do this. I want to show you all this as well. But let's just get rid of this. We could also just do like if a plus b is equal to 10, we can return true. And then we can all do an else if statement. So we can do a is equal to 10, or we can also return true in that. Else if b is equal to 10, we can return true as well. And lastly, else, where we're going to return false. And this should pass all the tests. And as you see, it passed all the tests. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Edabit problems. Thank you.